Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great today. My name is Cari Salgado. Welcome. I am a fan of some of the Chanel and custom jewelry. Not everything, some of the earrings and some of the brush. Which one is your favorite for you? Or you are those person that really against the custom jewelry, especially from Chanel? Today I'm gonna share with you a Chanel unboxing, and I'm talking about custom jewelry. So I have it right here. I just opened this bag to make it easy, and we are gonna see this together. You're gonna see my honest reaction because I haven't seen this in person at all. I saw it in a picture and I fell in love with. I'm also gonna show you 3 different ways that I will use this specific brush, just because the way it look and the detail that it have. So it's this one right here, this beauty. You see, it's so hard to open it. Okay, we get in there. Okay, we have the receipt right here. And let's open it. Come, of course, with everything. I'm just gonna move it away like this. There we go. I'm very excited about this one. So we have it right here. Ooh, so okay, it's the little book, and right here the information. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Here we go, guys. Let me know what you think about this piece. Wow, it's stunning. I just love it. I had, ooh. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow, I just love it. I feel a little bit heavy. Let me see to take it off. Wow, it is so beautiful. It is a beautiful piece. It have a little bit, it have pearls, and it has some crystal. They are shining, and it's in gold. It have in the back right here the stamp of the Chanel and the number, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, like, let me see, right here in the bottom, and the Chanel logo right here. So I hope nothing come off from this one, but of course I'm gonna take the best care of this that I can. I have a few custom jewelry pieces, and so far I haven't had any problem with missing a purse or missing a stone or nothing. So hopefully this one is very good too for me. So now I'm gonna show you some of the way that I could use this, and one is like this kind of outfit. Like for example, this one, you just have a simple outfit. I'm gonna show you right now, like this one right here. And I use a regular pearl stud earrings, like pearl earrings, and with this I probably would put a little bit more high, but yes, and it's completely elevate your style, elevate your outfit, and it look very nice. I love it with this one, and I think it's a pretty good size. Also, let me check. I couldn't find a pearl necklace that I have, but if you have a pearl necklace, you just, you know, attach it to it, And if you have a dark color dress or shirt or something up to here, you can put it, and because it has pearl, we go perfect with this. It will be amazing. So let me know what you think about that, guys, down below. And last, I had this beautiful silk scarf right here, and I will put it like this, right? Look at this, the change that you will give. And then I will add this beautiful did there. Look at this. Oh, I can see to put it on, but look at this. So beautiful. It changed completely everything. I just love it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Oh, I really want to put it here, but I can't see. Okay. Look at this, guy. I just love it. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. Remember to smile because you are beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, comment, and give me a thumbs up. And see you in my next one. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye.